In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Word document into PowerPoint. We'll walk through two clear methods: inserting the file as an icon that you can open during a presentation, and inserting the content so it appears directly on your slide. Both options use the same starting point, and I'll highlight when to pick each approach so you can work faster and keep your slides clean. First, let's look at inserting a Word document as an icon. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want the document. Head to the Insert tab at the top, then choose Object. In the window that appears, select Create from File. Click Browse, locate your Word document, and click Insert. Before you confirm, check the option that says Display as Icon, then click OK. You'll now see a Word icon placed on your slide. During your presentation, you can double-click that icon to open the document in Microsoft Word. With this approach, the file is embedded, which means it travels with your PowerPoint when you share it, even if the original file isn't available on the recipient's computer. This is ideal when you want to keep the document separate, preserve its formatting, or avoid cluttering the slide with lots of text. Now let's insert the Word content so it shows directly on the slide. Again, go to the Insert tab and choose Object. Select Create from File, click Browse, and pick the same Word document. This time, make sure Display as Icon is unchecked, then click OK. The text from your Word file will appear on the slide as editable content. From here, adjust the formatting, tweak the font, size, and layout so it matches your presentation style. This method is faster than copying and recreating content manually, and it keeps everything visible without needing to open a separate window. After inserting, always check headings, spacing, and bullet alignment since Word to PowerPoint formatting may shift slightly. As a quick guide, use the icon option if you want to keep the document separate and open it only when needed. Use the text option if you want the content front and center on your slides. Either way, you can now embed a Word file inside PowerPoint or display its content directly on your slides depending on what works best for your presentation flow. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.